Okay, let's learn a new structure in this session. The structure is I would rather. This is the 16th structure. Okay, let's see the structure, the new structure. I would rather. I would rather after we have to use V1. First form of the verb V1. I would rather plus V1 plus something. After that we have to use than. Then after than plus V1 plus something. This is the structure. I would rather plus V1 plus than plus means I would rather plus V1 plus something than plus V1 plus something. Okay, this is the structure. Let's see how we can use this structure. The usage of this structure. The usage of this structure is used to express a preference or choice between two in or more options. Two or more options or more actions. This structure is used to express for a preference or choice between two or more options or more actions. So this is used for preference, giving preference between two options or between two actions. Okay, two options or two actions. Now let's see some examples. I would stay. I would rather stay. I would rather stay tonight than go out. Tonight than go out. Means I would rather stay tonight than go out. I would give preference to stay than go out. Means I am giving preference to stay tonight. I don't want to go out. So what you are giving preference to stay or to go out? You are giving preference to stay. Okay, that's why I would rather stay tonight than go out. Out బయటికి వెళ్ళటం కన్నా కూడా ఇక్కడ స్టే చేయడానికి ప్రిఫరెన్స్ ఇస్తున్నాను. Okay, I am giving more preference to stay tonight than go out. Means I don't want to go out. Okay, next. I would read a book than watch TV. I would read a book than watch TV. I would rather read a book than watch TV. Okay, I would rather take a nap. I would rather take a nap than go for a walk. I would rather take a nap. What does it mean by nap? Short sleep. Means I am giving preference to short sleep than go for a walk. Means I don't want to go for a walk. I want to take a short nap. Okay, next. I would rather drink tea than coffee. I would rather drink tea than coffee. I would rather listen to music. I would rather listen to music than watch a movie. I would rather go to the beach than the mountains. I would rather go to the beach than go to mountains. I would rather have pizza than biryani. I would rather have pizza than biryani. I would rather wear comfortable clothes. I would rather wear comfortable clothes than fancy dress. I would rather be alone than with the wrong people. I would rather be alone than with the wrong people. I would rather stay. I would rather stay up late than wake up. I would rather stay up late than wake up early. I would rather travel by car than by plane. I would rather travel by car than by plane. I would rather cook than order. I would rather cook than order. I would rather stay home than go to the party. I would rather stay home than go to the party. Which means I want to stay at home. I want to stay at home. I don't want to go to the party. I would rather stay at home than go to the party. Okay, next. I would rather have a conversation than argue. I would rather have a conversation than argue. I would rather be honest. I would rather be honest than lie. I would rather spend time with my family than friends. I would rather spend time than with my friends. Okay. I would rather be outdoors than indoors. I would rather be outdoors than indoors. I would rather have a cold drink than a hot one. I would rather have a cold drink than a hot one. Like this also we can write than drink a hot one. Okay. Now, I would rather walk. I would rather walk than take the bus. I would rather walk than take the bus. I would rather have a small circle of friends. I would rather have a small circle of friends than have a large one. I would rather have a dog than have a cat. I would rather have a dog than have a cat. I would rather read the book. I would rather read the book than watch a movie. I would rather do a software course than do a normal course. I would rather learn French than Thai. I would rather take my time than rush things. I would rather take my time than rush things. Okay, thank you. Rush. Okay, thank you. Let's meet in the next session.